Look at this cutie. Yes, the style is there. It's super cute. But I have to be honest. I have to let it go, and I will explain you why. Hi everyone, for those who do not know me, I'm bag passionate, French bag collector, fashion lover, and above all, Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. I do videos both in English and in French, my mother language, so please have fun if you love bags, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. As just said in the intro, I'm sad, but not at all, because I know I will make someone happy, but let's be direct. I tried it because, you know, I just unboxed it, and in fact, I will let it go. I will let it go. It's not a problem of quality. I have to say, the leather is great. Seriously, the leather is great. But I'm not reaching it due to the conception of a bag. Let me explain. You know, I am a top handle person, and I found it quite funny that the handles do like this. But for everyday use, for me, it's a problem, because when I am using it with the shoulder strap, this part is not comfortable for me. I know it's maybe funny, but this bothers me. And as you know, because I have done already reviews about this bag, even if the overall view of the bag, I found it cute, I'm still not a fan of this. So these are the two first points. The third point is that despite the size, this is an M size, and for information, this bag is no more available on the Longchamp website, but no worry, I do know that some Longchamp stores still have some stock of this one, and they will go on selling them until they are no more, and you can find some on the resale market, so if you are still interested, because now the new line only offers the S size and the L size, which is a bigger one. And you have also new models in vertical and horizontal form, but I will do a video concerning the 3D line. And so despite the fact the bag is in M size, I have to say, guys, even if I fit all my essentials like today, look at this, just to show you, I've got this is chèque in French, it's a way of paying. I've got my compact full-on wallet. I will do a special review about these little guys. I've got my Hermes purse. I've got my card holder Longchamp in cypress color too. This is document for my car. I've got a mini agenda. I've got my coin purse Longchamp in saffron color. I've got some pen, I've got medication, and I've got two tissues. I've got some feminine product in the zip compartment, but that's all. And of course you can put a bigger notebook, but not so big, because in fact the capacity, you can only fit items from there to there, because the zip begins there. You understand what I'm meaning? It's not, you see, the zip is there, so you are losing this, here, you are losing this part of capacity. Hope you understand me. And in fact, even if I do not carry a bunch of stuff, this, I sometimes have a tiny pullover or something else, and I quite like to put it inside, and in fact, you can't. It's fastly full. And so I'm not reaching it. Concerning the strap also, which is not adjustable, it's all in leather, which is quite nice, but it's not adjustable. I have to say, it's quite long. I am just nearly 1.60 m, and it's quite long. And even if I wear a crossbody, well, I tried it. It's a good bag, I do repeat, but there's several points that I don't go for. And seriously, let me grab the bag. I'm sorry guys, but seriously, this one is better for me. The capacity is really higher, and yes, the handle stay like this even if you are wearing it on your shoulder, you see, and I do not have a problem that the handle is there. The strap is shorter, which is even better. I can wear it also crossbody, you see, and even with a big jacket. And even this one is really better for my use. So yes, I wanted to make this video to inform you because you are following me, and thank you, or you are new to this channel, and if you do not see this bag anymore, you will have the explanation. So it's a good bag that despite everything I have just explained, it's not a problem for you. I do recommend this bag because, as I said, the leather is insane, and you got the craftsmanship of Longchamp. It's a good quality. I do not reach for it. And so this bag, I will give it to my mother because my mother loves this style and loves this bag. So I will gift her. And I know she will be happy and she will use it. But for me, no. I seriously use this one more when I have to carry something or other bags, but even my Foulonnet tote, my black one, is more adapted to my use. Guys, if you have any question concerning this bag, please do not hesitate to write me. I can explain you something if you're looking for it. As I said, I will do a video explaining the 3D line and the difference between the old version like this one and the new one. Yes, so I repeat, I do not have regret buying it because I was also curious to use this one, and it's always nice to have a real experience with a bag. So I got it, but it's a no for me. So guys, we all say bye-bye to this bag, and we see us for next adventure. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bisous.